I'm taking the circle and draw a circle. It will be 20 millimeters. Then exit it. Okay, then I'm going to the features. Swept boss or swept cut is selected. Okay, click one, another one. Thin is no. I am selecting the swept boss. Click on the surface, click on this line. Okay, done. Then I'm going to selecting the materials. I'm selecting the metals, selecting the polished steel. Okay, then this color is taken. Okay, done. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. And you can see the section view. You can see it. Okay, cross it, go in here, see this, see. Okay, I'm taking this. Control 8, Control 7. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.